I'm Hillary and this is my husband Jason, and together we started handcrafting organic spice blends and selling them at our local farmers market. What makes our spices so unique is that we're using all real food ingredients. No chemicals, no weird stuff, no additives, just pure spices. I feel great serving these to my whole family because I know they're the very best ingredients out there.
So in 2011, I faced some health challenges. My doctor said, look, you have two options. One is clean up your diet, really pay attention to ingredients, or two, I'm gonna put you on medicine for the rest of your life. Thankfully, Hillary helped me choose the right answer. So we had to clean out our fridge, our pantry, and surprisingly, our spice cabinet. We were amazed by all the different chemicals and MSG and food colorings that were in our spices. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and so I saw this as an opportunity to really help others. And thankfully, a lot of people love it.
Our most popular product is this 5-pack of grilling spices. It is amazing. One of our best products in here and one of my personal favorites is Grill Master. This burger seasoning is great. It goes on hamburgers, veggie burgers. It's great for veggies by themselves. It's great on salad and even pasta. So this is one of our top sellers.
Here at FreshJax, we're not only committed to producing the highest quality of organic spices, but to giving back to the community. With our one box, one meal mission, for every organic spices gift set or 2 large spice bottles sold, we donate 1 meal to a child in need. Now you can join the fight with FreshJax Organic Spices to end childhood hunger.